Benefits of a brand new furnace. There are several benefits to installing a brand new furnace. Improved energy efficiency. Newer furnaces are designed to be more energy efficient than older models, which can result in lower energy bills. They often have higher annual fuel utilization efficiency (AFUE) ratings, indicating the percentage of fuel that is converted into heat. Enhanced comfort. New furnaces can provide more consistent heating throughout your home, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, especially during extreme temperatures. Reliability and durability. A new furnace is less likely to break down or require frequent repairs compared to an older unit. This can provide peace of mind and reduce the inconvenience and expense of unexpected repairs. Improved indoor air quality. Many newer furnaces come with advanced filtration systems that can help improve indoor air quality by capturing dust, allergens, and other particles. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with respiratory issues or allergies. Safety features. Newer furnaces often incorporate advanced safety features, such as automatic shutoff valves and improved venting systems, reducing the risk of carbon monoxide leaks or other safety hazards. Warranty coverage. Most new furnaces come with manufacturer warranties that provide coverage for parts and labor for a certain period, offering protection against potential defects or malfunctions. Environmental benefits. Energy-efficient furnaces consume less fuel, resulting in reduced greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint compared to older, less efficient models. Increased home value. Installing a new furnace can increase the resale value of your home, as it demonstrates to potential buyers that the heating system is up to date and energy efficient. Overall, investing in a new furnace can provide long-term cost savings, improved comfort, safety, and peace of mind for homeowners.